Mr. Sadman, give me a dream. Make him the cutest that I've ever seen. Is that Daddy singing to you or Mummy? You have a big night. Did you get into another fight? Did you get into another fight and need Mummy? You want Mummy? You want Mummy cuddle? You're a big boy. You're going to be 1 soon on the 21st. And guess what? I have a present for you. I have a present for you. You stay with Ruby. You stay with Ruby. Oh, don't cry. You like me that much, do you? She can be your mummy if you don't like me. Oh, you coming to say, watch my stockings, no claws. You can come on, but no claws. I'm going to do tarot reading anyway. You can stay there and be a part of the prop. You can look after the book and read it. You read. Hang on. Open the page. Open the page. Goliath, you sure have changed. At the back of the fucking photo, it was like, huh? The book, I don't know what that looks like before I buy it. If it's not a good photo, I'm not buying it. I like this. It's like a spider. It's weaved with honeycomb and snakes. And the more you look into it, the more you see. Don't you think? There's a snake and a honeycomb. If I go, yeah. Oh, there's a face. I'm not kidding you, Cosmos. And there's those things over there. They keep me up. Ah, there you are. Right there. I know which one that one. That one's called Pancake. It's time for a tarot reading. I got my book, my tarot book. I'm not even gonna date it. I'm just gonna date it. Fresh page. Right. I heard that rat and it wasn't me. I told her it ain't too much. There's a whole fucking pizza in there, and unless Ruby took it out, and I can't ask her if she has or not. But anyway. Jesus smiles. You want to control me, mister? I'll control you, Mr. Old man. You had your birthday. Do I wish you a belated happy birthday? Happy birthday, Jesus Funkrat. Happy birthday, Jesus Funkrat. Happy birthday, dear Jesus. Happy birthday. I mean, Goliath. I'm not the president, and neither are you. So don't go and bend over, and don't have a poo. I like your new hairdo, but the tats, they must go. Wash yourself and do nothing but so. Anyway, fresh page. I need a fresh page in life. I asked my daughter for a fresh page. She said yes. I'm here for 5 minutes, man. I'm gonna get bored. I like my suckies. I'm trying not to rip them. And this guy's like, you know, moons with cats on it. There's my little cat. He's not like the dog. I can't just see it. I gotta go. Tarot reading coming up. Fresh page style. Using the El Goliath tarot deck. Read it and weep. Come and have a seep. Sip, seep, 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 sack, whack. And if you look at this, this looks like a bone structure, right? And it's the infinity sign. It reminds me of a spider which has 8 legs. Do you know I've seen some spiders in Australia that have only got 6 legs? Is that like a mutation of someone pulling off their legs like a bully ant or something? I got a whole theory on it. And I'm too scared to give people my theories. Because if they think the warp girls out there talking about voices and shit are giving them theories and they spend time in a mental hospital and survive, I say, honey, you're lucky you didn't go to jail. There you just get to be a fucking fat bitches, you know, booty call. And then, you know, if you're gay, good. If you're not, well, fucking tough luck. You're getting that dick up your ass whether you like it or not in jail. You know, the doctors and the nurses, they get to knock you out and do what they fucking want. And then there was a patient, and it's on YouTube, the coma patient. No, it's on porn, actually, the coma patient.